Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's April the 11th, 2022. We're going to talk about PayPal today. We're going to try to answer the question, is this stock a value trap still? I mean, look how far the market in PayPal has already fallen. Yeah, scary. I know a lot of people has been anticipating the market to come in and tell you about the dips, and the market in PayPal continues to dip. That is ridiculous. You don't come into the market and participate if you're trying to be a buyer until you see the buyers step in and control and dominate the market. So welcome to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. This is what I do. I do price predictions without the confusion. You guys can see right now on your screen, I got a price prediction already for PayPal. I'm going to talk about that, and then I'm going to talk about where I think PayPal is going to go next without you all being confused. Plus, you're getting a heads up as to where I'm looking for the market to go. You guys want to join me? Keep it locked in here. Hit the like button, and also subscribe to the channel. Tap that bell notification as well, because keeping it a buck, you guys don't want to miss out on my price predictions, because I'm giving you all a heads up as to where I'm expecting price to go. So let me know. All right, check this out. I did a video in PayPal not long ago, March 24th, 2022. It's still here. Expecting the price in PayPal to go up. Now, I wasn't massively bullish. Let's keep that right. I wasn't looking for the market to go back up to $200 or $250. You know, I'm not one of these YouTube channels that's going to give you these astronomical numbers, price targets, to which I know that it's going to be an extremely long time to see PayPal go up to $300, right? So let's get back down to earth. So looking at this, I told you all on that particular video that I was looking for the market in PayPal. One price target was 120. Like, I wasn't massively bullish. You could go back and see, you could go back and listen to it right now. I had my first price target at $120. Not to be greedy, but I just understood that the sellers could stand up price in PayPal and actually push the market back down. And that's pretty much what happened. Now, it broke away from 120. It went up a little bit higher of $120, right? It did. It went up to like 122. Okay, cool. But that was the area. That was how much juice the buyers had that they could bring price up. That was it. They couldn't go no higher than that, because I really wanted to see them take it to like 130, right? But they couldn't do that right now. So if you wasn't able to grab that market out the space in PayPal right here at 122, that's 7%, then we might need to talk, because you might want to take the loss now, because if we're going to see the price in PayPal go lower, I think you would rather lose 3.16%. Would you not? Or would you want to hold and wish and hope that price will eventually go back up and you'll see your losses increase 16, 17, 20%? The market is already letting us know what to anticipate, what to be on the lookout for, right? So off the rip, I'm going to show you something that the buyers need to maintain. Are you ready for this? Because if they can maintain this, then it's going to show us that it is not a value trap. It means that the buyers are going to control the market in PayPal, and it is simply this. Look at this. This is the trend. Isn't that fantastic? The market is actually giving us an idea as to where we need to see the buyers stand up, and it's right here. We cannot let the price break this trend. It's just that simple. So as we anticipate weakness to come into the market in PayPal, as we're anticipating that the price is going to come down, we cannot see the market break that level. And as a matter of fact, look at this. Right here is support. Wow. The market tells us already what we need to be on the lookout for. These two lines that I've just created is areas that we need to see buyers hold price. Namely, we would like to see the buyers hold price here, right? We would love to see them continue to hold price at $110. We want to see them do that, because if so, this is the great spot to come in and buy PayPal right now, because the market is expected to lift off from there. So we're going to take a look at a different time frame. Okay, let's look at the weekly, because I want you all to understand from a time perspective, this market is still weak in PayPal. Like 2 weeks. Look at that. 2 weeks. The market in PayPal could not break above $125. It couldn't do it. Couldn't do it. That shows you that the price is weak from a weekly perspective. Okay. Do you think the price is going to hold $110 then? What about on the 2 weeks? Do you think the market's going to hold $110 looking at this from a 2-weekly perspective? What about on 3 weeks? 3-day. Generally, the price is weak in PayPal still, to the point to where I'm not really looking for the price to hold $110. I don't think the buyers are going to show up there. I think the buyers are going to show up a little bit lower. I do. Because the opportunity for the buyers to continue to dominate the charts was here, right here. We should have saw a continuation of movement higher off of this 3-day price bar. But look at the results. We haven't seen that. Now they've tried, but they got rejected twice at $125. So, and that is why this current 3-day price bar is trending lower. Now, I'm not saying that the price is going to hit $50 in PayPal. No, I don't play that type of game. I try to play realistically as to where people are placing their bets. Where are people trying to place the money, the buying and the selling? So I've already told you, if I'm not looking for the price to hold 110, then I'm looking for it to come down and test this trend in at least. Okay. So now let's trade this up. And let's push this back over to the daily time frame. Okay. So the first area, I can already see it. It's going to be here. Right here. So it's about 5.5%. Next price is $105. Okay. That's the next price. A second price target, which would take us breaking the trend, will be around 100 again. Now we break, if the buyers cannot hold the trend and we break it below to 100, then the best thing we can have is for the market to consolidate and not expect it to be in an uptrend. Okay. So let me put it back over to the daily time frame. And I've already given you 2 price targets. The first one is 105. The second one is 100. And if we break the trend, then we could go a lot lower in price. You guys can see all the way down here to 80. Okay. But really, I'm going to look for it to come down to 90 again. So if we can't hold 100, we're going to come back down to 90, especially if we break this trend. All right. So now this is what I'm looking forward to. I've drawn out the playbook to what I'm looking forward to. I've given you price targets, 2 of them, 105 and 100. So now it's your turn. I want you all to drop me your price prediction, your price target to the market at PayPal. I want to gauge the market's ideas to what you think. Just like these price charts are a collective idea as to what people think. So I want to know what you think. Let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.